Hey guys, welcome to Techie Talk. So in this video, I'm going to share for freshers from TCS company what are the most frequently asked Java programs I'll be covering in this video. So as a fresher, if you are attending TCS or any other popular service-based company, definitely these questions will come across. So in that, the first question is write a Java program to reverse a string without using any inbuilt method or functions. So here the ask is very clear. So basically we will have some inbuilt functions and string or string builder, right? So they doesn't want you to use any of the inbuilt functions, and you have to reverse a string. So the string may be anything dynamic, it's not a static string. So basically they are planning to test here your technical skill as well as your logical thinking. So without using any inbuilt function, how are you going to solve this program is the one they are actually testing you with this program. So you should be very confident, and you should be very clear. If they ask you to use the inbuilt function also, you should be able to use, and if they ask you to write without any inbuilt function also, you should be able to write. So for this, first let us create a sample project, that is TCS top 5 programming for freshers. And then I'll be writing for one program the solution here with the explanation. So if you liked it, and for the rest of the 4 programs, I would request you to go through the questions and come up with the solutions, or if you want me to write and implement the programs with the same as the video, let me know in the comment section. So I will create videos as such. But for in this programming video, I will just create solution for only first one, that is reverse the string, and then for the rest of the 4 I'll just share you the questions what they have been asked. So in case if you are okay with the solution, fine, else if you need explanation along with the programming code, I will make in a new video. Just comment in the comment section. Now here I have created an string reverse class. Now let's start with main method. So basically we didn't create the package here, so I am planning to create a package and remove this default package. So I will create a new package with com.java.string reverse. As such, I'll create a package and move this string reverse class into that package. So now the question asked here is write a Java program to reverse a string without using any inbuilt functions. So for this we should not use any inbuilt functions with string or string builder. So here basically the interviewer is trying to analyze your thought process. So for that you should be prepared, and there are some cases where he might also say to use an inbuilt functions also. So either ways you should be prepared. So first let me declare the public static void main string array of args. And then I'm taking a string with value Techie Talk. So the value can differ anything, but now I am taking an example of Techie Talk. So when we reverse this Techie Talk, it should be like KLATEEIHCET. So that is the output expected by the interviewer. So here now let's create a string reverse. So basically this reverse string, why do we created this variable is like to store the value when we reverse. So basically when you are trying to reverse the string, you need a variable to store that particular value. So that's the reason you have created a variable reverse name along with the data type as string. And now we have created another variable char ch. This is declared to add the each character in front of the existing character. So basically we can say appending. So with alone reverse you cannot do it, right? So you need to also append the value. So that's the reason you have added char ch also. So now here is the logic which we are going to implement for this reversing the string. So before that we will add this system.out.println and check what is the original string before we reverse it. So basically if we don't use any inbuilt functions, we will be using the looping logic. So looping logic, how we do it is by using for loop. So first I have used this for int I equal to 0, I less than string dot length. So what does this length give? It starts from the index of 0 and then we will increment it slowly if it is entering into the for loop, if the condition satisfies. So here initially I equal to 0, 0 less than s dot length. So length will be around like say TechieTalk length is like around 8 or 9 length, so it is true and it will enter inside it. So what we are doing here with the character which we have defined above in the variable ch equal to s dot caret of I. So what it does, s is the string which we have created. Caret means it is an indexing value. So at 0 index it will check what is the value at the 0 index. So it is t. So it will take t and it will add it in the reversed value. So first it will do t, then one by one it will actually increment it and reverse it. So here is the reversed value and it will print the value. So guys, hope you have understood the logic over here. In case if you are not able to understand, let me know in the comment section. I will explain you in detail in another video. Thanks for watching, and let's see what are the other 5 interview programs asked. So for this I'm not going to write the program, but I'm going to share what are the questions asked. Write a Java program to swap 2 numbers using third variable, and the third one is write a Java program to count number of words in a string using hash map. And next, write a Java program to find whether a string is a palindrome or not.